Mm,
Hello.
wait. I just check my camera. Hello. Now you can
Hi.
see me.
Yeah.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi. I'm good. I'm good. For so many, like half an hour, I'm waiting for your call when you call me.
Sorry for that. Actually, I was busy, so that's why.
No
I'm really
problem. No problem. No problem. Okay, because actually the one actually Sunday I get the time na. That's why actually I was thinking if I will not connect today, so after 1 week I will connect it with you. That's why I was thinking. Okay, so Arshdeep, could you please just introduce yourself?
okay. My name is Arshdeep Kaur, and I'm from Punjab. And right now, I am working on my English communication skill, and I have completed my BCom. And what about you?
Right now, actually, I have completed my BCom and MCom. And
Great.
now presently I am doing the MBA. My MBA final year exam is going on, and I live in Mumbai. And presently I'm doing a job as a account assistant in pharmaceutical company right now. And nowadays my hobbies is also the same, like practicing in English with a Clappingo app, as you heard that app name. So in Clappingo app, I just practice with my English in 1 month, and presently I just connected with my subscriber and different people. So I just want to improve my English and fluency. Yes,
Oh, that's great. That's
yes,
great. You are doing a job right now during a lockdown.
yes, yes,
Is it
yes,
is it
yes.
possible to go
Yeah,
out?
because see, my job is come under the essential service now. So who is coming under the essential service now? So that people can go. Only the essential people. Otherwise, they all working in the home, like work in home nowadays is going on.
Okay. You are
Yes.
lucky. I am still at home. No work, no out.
Yeah, actually, I was telling you before this 1 month in March month. Actually, I'm doing work from home. My company is different. There is a real estate company. It's a real estate company. In that company, we are selling the property kind of thing. So in that company, I am doing the job with work from home, and I don't enjoy like working in the home. So that's why I want to change my job to going to the office and daily, because you work in the home now, it's not like atmosphere is not like that. That's why I don't like it.
You are lucky. You are live in a big city. I'm live in a rural area, and I find hard to get any job here. It's too difficult for me to get anything.
Where in Punjab you are situated? In Punjab is city, like Punjab is a state. In Punjab, where you?
I live in a small village in Punjab, backward area, Puri. It's, belong to, uh, you can say it's very close to border area, Pakistan.
Yes, I know that. That's why I just want to actually see. I most of the see your video on Cambly, and I really want to connect with you because you and me are doing the same thing. So if we are conversation, so it will be helpful of both of us, and that's why I just want to connect with you. And how actually I want to know how are you doing for your practice in English.
Actually, I am doing, I am preparing for a IELTS exam, which is an international English test. So, in that, in which only four modules are given, like writing, speaking, reading, and listening.
Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
So I practice all of those modules. Like first, I do listening. It's sometimes it's very hard to pick up, native accent. So
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
I'm listening. So many I'm watching so many videos on YouTube, so I can get idea how they speak and how they pronounce any word. So
yes.
it's very helpful for me. And also I learn grammar from English to English, not to my mother tongue to I don't translate uh,
Okay.
English into my mother language. So it's
Don't, at least I will say don't try this because it's very become difficult because it take a time also. So you're doing a very good like a English to English translate.
yeah, it's very beneficial. You have a like a confidence, like you are talking whatever you are talking, it's right. You can get confidence if you are
Yes,
watching in
yes, yes.
English. Yeah.
Yes, it's very correct because when I saw your video of like a Cambly and you are like talking with a foreigner people, I watch how you communicate, but you are like a communicate. I feel like you are a very fluent English person because if in between conversation I don't feel like you are practicing in English and all that. So I love that all your video. Actually, 2 or 3 video. I'm not watching more video, but see in my only I get a night time I message in the night time. So that time I get and I was thinking I just connect with you anyhow, so I just message in the night time also. I don't know you're sleeping or not, then you're giving me reply in morning and I feel very happy. So at least you reply me.
Actually, I also wanted to, communicate with you, but I had no time during that day, so that's why I was not able to connect with you. I personally also want to, communicate with you in English.
Did you watch
So
my video? Did you watch my video or something?
yeah, yeah, I saw your many videos on YouTube, but
Oh,
I'm busy, so that's why I was not able to connect with you. But it's my pleasure. You asked me for communication.
okay, because I was thinking you are not anything about me. That's why because I have not seen any comment like your side. So I was thinking you nothing anything know about me. That's why I just asked you. So
I
I
saw
feel very
your,
good. You know about me something.
yeah, I saw your, you know, you can say 4 to 5 videos, and I really amazed to see you how you have a confidence to speak. Whether you have you have a kind of guts, like you don't care about anyone. Uh, I care a lot of I always think that what other people will think about me, but you have a kind of guts. Yeah, I will speak, and no matter what people will think about me. That's a great,
Yes.
attitude. And
Yes,
it's
yes.
great.
But actually, this thing, like you're saying, whatever, this thing, when I joined, like a first conversation, if you see or not, I don't know. This conversation part, I was very nervous. I was very fumble. I can say I have that feeling in my inside. But after 1 or 2 conversation, I don't know, my confidence level, it's going so up, and I just communicate like a daily with some with different people. That's why it's all happened. Nothing. I'm doing any special thing.
That's great. Yeah, it's
Yes.
really
So if
comment.
anybody asks, if anybody asking to me what you doing, like how you like confidence or English, I just say you just speak with the people. Automatically, it will happen. It nothing do any like special thing you can say. Just conversation because when you speak, then you can be like a become a fluent, not like a sitting in one place and thinking all that thing what the people and how. other one say, like speak about me, think about me. If you think all that, so you can never ever do this activity.
Mm. It's good idea. Speak whether you. I think you have a kind of gut. Really, I really amazed about that. I have no guts like that. So I stopped, uploading my videos on YouTube. So I just practice at home. That first I have to, learn a lot about English. Then I will come um, on YouTube. So with a confidence. But right now I think I have to post some videos, like you.
Yes, yes, definitely you will post and people are see now that is I was thinking what the people are think about me, but after I uploaded my so many video, I get a very good comments and the people are also motivating with us, not like saying any negativity. So that's I get a response with people, so I feel motivated and I like more doing this activity like a practice in English and all that. So if you don't, if you also do the same thing, so like you are saying, I was thinking the people were saying, you feel of what I am saying, you feel all that thing after that.
Yeah, but right now no, I have a confidence, like a lot of confidence. Yes, I can communicate, whether I haven't communicated for so long in English. So after I think 20 days after I talk with you in English.
Oh my god, it's
Yeah.
so many gap, I can say like a 20 days is more than if 1 or 2 days if I'm not talking with someone, I feel like I'm not something missing in my whole day. That's I just continue at least 15 to 20 hour daily communicate in English. And I get a people also like this, they also want to communication, so I
Yeah,
just do.
due to the lockdown, especially,
Yeah,
you
see,
know.
people, all the people have a lockdown, but see, I in my situation don't lockdown. You can say that because I do my job also. All that thing is like on the way. So that's why I just want. If see, I don't get a time also, but I get a time to like learning and all that things I'm doing. So I just advise you. You also like do all that things. Don't think like a 10 to 20 days gap, and so it will not benefit it for you.
Yeah,
Try to
I will.
every day communicate.
Yeah, I will communicate with people. But right now, I am busy in my studies, so that's why I think right now I have to focus on my study. Rather.
Okay,
But
so nowadays, like which you have completed the BCom, no? You BCom completed. So after what you study?
I will I will think about it. But right now, I am not thinking so much because you can say I am just planning to go abroad. So let's see which course they will give me. So according to I will take a business related course, any business
Oh,
related course. Yeah,
okay.
because
Like you have a feel like you want to do like I just hear in your conversation you want to do the Canada, you want to do a job in Canada, but
yeah, yeah.
in that like you have a very fluent English also, and like uh, you have an like atmosphere what the people work in that way. So you have any references all that kind, like any
Hello,
people are connect.
hello.
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
I think some. Hello,
Hello,
you are
my
not
voice.
to me.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah. I right now I can hear you.
okay, okay. So I'm asking
Where
you.
I
You
was.
have like I was asking you, you have like any friend circle or the relative someone in that country?
No, no,
No.
no.
Okay.
I am the only one right now. Yeah.
Okay.
You can say I have one friends who are, living over there. Yeah. No
Okay.
relatives.
Okay.
No, you know, yeah. Uh,
Okay. So
you can tell me, you tell me that you studied MCom, right? You did
yes.
MCom,
Yes.
and what do you think about you can say study of MCom? It is beneficial over here because here MCom is more theoretically rather than practically. You know,
Yes.
and you get my
See,
point. What I'm trying.
I understand why I'm. See, actually, my thought is if I, when I'm completed the MCom, I want to become a professor, like a professor job. I can do if I want to do a professor job, so I have to complete the MCom. At that time, I was thinking that, but in at that time I was doing a job. So in both the time, I don't like. Going for the job like colleges, so I prefer the office kind of job now a time, because in like you do the professor job, so you have like English communication is must. So because my
Yeah,
problem, not I'm not speaking in well in English. If you're going to college and you're professor, so you have a must English knowledge, and I don't have that knowledge about the English. Problem is the English. That's why I just cut there my like a job, and I just choose my office job. And now time I just want to do a MNC company. In future I want to do the job in MNC. That's why I'm just doing the practice, because English is a very like a barrier in my life. Like any job if I want is a big barrier. That's why I just want to improve this thing in my life, so I get a good opportunity in future.
yeah. Every job sector is depend on
Yes.
on English. If you know
Yes.
English, you can do anything.
Yeah,
Better in life.
that's why I'm also like doing that practice. And I also I always saying is like saying my subscriber and all the people, please learn, because while you're going in future, not for the job, not for the like anything, if you are like a housewife and mother, you can at least study with your child also in English, because in future everyone study in the English, so you have a knowledge, you can teach your child also in English. So that's
Yeah.
why.
What about a business?
What about a
What is
business?
the definition about business? If you think about
Business?
any, I mean to say you
No, no, no.
ever
I don't have any like a
you are not
think any about
interested in a
business.
business.
No, 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 no. Actually, presently I don't like a think about any business. Presently, I just study and like a practice in English more. After that, I think about, because when you're doing like a business, it's more no, like a thinking process is required. So I don't like a entrepreneur, like you say the entrepreneur job. Business is that you are the entrepreneur,
Yeah,
so that you can like do the job. But I don't have that much of a skill, I can say that. I'm not like doing that kind of activities, because there is a more risk you have to take in if you want to start something in business. So you have a take a risk also. You get a profit
yeah,
also, but somehow you have a like a mindset, you are in future take a risk, so that you can be surviving if you want to do the business. Otherwise it's not like for my side, my kind of people don't do this business. Otherwise they always feel like earn the losses.
yeah. You know, everyone have a fear of risk. Yeah.
Yes. What about you? You want to do a business?
Yeah, first I think uh, I will study, in any business course, which I will get according
Okay.
to my English. If I get good band in, my English, so I think I'm able to uh, get admission in a business degree. Yeah, I love
Oh
to,
wow.
I would like to become an entrepreneur. So yeah, I will think about it later. But right
Oh
now, the main problem is my English.
yes, yes.
Right
But
now, it's a
it's a
big
very
hurt.
good thing. Good thing. You are like you have a good thing for your future, and I hope you improve your English and do whatever you want to do in future.
Yeah.
Okay.
I live in a rural area, so it's very difficult for me to get, um, learn any language here. There is no good institution.
Okay.
Really bad in a situation over here. I
Yes.
uh, I I want to tell you, when I started learning English, so I had a lot of difficulties over here. I didn't find any institution close to my hometown. I
Oh
was,
my God.
yeah. You are lucky. You are living in a city.
Don't think like that,
You know,
dear. So yes, yes, you are correct. I have that much opportunity because I get all that things. So I understand your thought on that situation.
yeah. If you are living in a in a rural area, you find lots of difficulties. Sometimes we feel depressed when you study in a some extent, but you are not able still to get a job. Then all the time we feel a stress that why we
Yes,
are not able to get any job, and what will our future. So that's type of thing, you know uh, that type of
mhm,
thinking coming in my mind, right? What I will
yes,
do in future. But you
yes, yes.
still have a lot of opportunity.
See,
So
still I
to
have a
go
lot of
out and
opportunity, but I don't get anything because of my English problem. I can say that. But yeah, but if I improve this thing in my life now, so I was thinking I like whatever I want, I can get in a very easy way.
yeah, yeah. And
So
one more thing I want to tell you, only one institution over here, only for study for us. You know,
oh my
you
God.
can imagine only one institution uh, uh, for a higher education, like a university, you can say, close to my
Okay.
hometown.
Oh
Yeah,
my God. It's
we
very
have
difficult
not
for
a
your
lot of
study.
yeah, yeah,
Seriously, I just hear all that thing. I feel very like how you people are like all that things are doing, and like a study problem is more in that city because of the you're situated in the rural area. I can understand and hope you
yeah.
are
We
like
have
do something with you and you get. I hope, but you are doing like this kind of activity now, like online because nowadays everything is available in online. You learn all this thing in online, and whatever you want, you get. Like in sitting in a home and you get all that thing because the now the because of the all this technology we can do all these things. Yes.
yeah. Right now we are lucky. Uh, we have a less opportunity for our institution also. When yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I understand problem for this because see many of the people like you now they are the less opportunity, but you see they that people are become a very higher post in now. If you see they have not get a much opportunity, but if you build in something in your heart and you're doing something with your heart, you will definitely get in one day. Don't like
Yeah,
always blaming like I don't have that much thing, that much thing. If you blame and then you will not like do anything. So
Yeah,
keep doing, always doing and try. I just say only this thing and try, and you will get. See, I have a problem like speaking a partner, English speaking partner in my family, in surrounded, nobody speaking. I have faced a lot of problem, but nowadays, see, I get a person every day I'm speaking. So see, you have to create that environment with your own self so that you can do.
yeah, yeah. I'm not blaming at all, but I just try to tell the truth about my area, like how we are managed to, study. It's very difficult for us sometime because sometimes we feel that we have not a good quality education. But I saw in our country, in many areas, a lot of people, they are also struggling the same things like me. So
Yes.
it's not new.
Yes, it's very correct.
There are some.
Only not you. Most of the people who is like in a rural areas and they have a lot of things to do, but because of the I can say limited resources
That's,
they have, so that they will not do all that things. But keep on trying to do these things whatever you want, and definitely anyhow like you get these things, but you never know how you get, but at least you try something, so you can get an idea with anybody and you do whatever you want to do. I just only say with you.
yeah. For especially English language, I faced a funny, situation in my school. I want to tell you, but this is a reality. Uh, there is a one of my English teacher who taught me some wrong English, and I, right now I know that that was wrong, but I never speak in English before. So I thank God I was I was saved during that time. Like
Yes.
she
Yeah.
told me you can say handsome to girl, and I was shocked. I saw, and that was a very funny incident, in my life that I never, I never speak the English like that to girl or
Yeah.
handsome. That
Yeah, because they at that time, na people are only get a job like a references. I can say they not
yeah,
much study about the like a subject, but they get a job. But this time, if you want to do a job in the teaching nowadays, is not like you have a proper knowledge, because the like a situation is changed now. There is a not kind of thing. If whatever the teacher is a well educated and the well trained, I can say that. But at that time is situation same. I also feel not feel but see this thing in my village, like my sister,
yeah,
cousin sister, whatever they're saying me all that thing, whatever you think. That time I just
yeah,
laugh. Yeah, it's happened in the rural area, but not in the like city and all that area.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, there are so many funny incidents about
Yes.
English learning, and I can't
Yes. Yes.
say you. That was so
Yes.
hilarious. Thank God
Okay.
we have a internet connection, so it
Yes.
saves me
See.
to speak
Yes.
a
Yes.
wrong English. Otherwise, I don't know what will happen.
Yes, definitely. It's very good platform. We get now. Okay, so Arsh, at least we talk in 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes. I think 30 minutes is over. So I just get one concern with you. If you don't mind, I just upload this video on YouTube.
Yeah, yeah, of course. You
Okay,
can.
because I was not asking before the actually if you're not giving the permission, I will not upload it. See, I am not this conversation making for the uploaded, but I just want to connect with you and like sharing the idea and the thoughts with you. That's it. Okay. So if you're not giving permission, I will not upload it. Otherwise, if you have no
You
issue, I
can.
will upload it. Okay.
You
And
can.
if you want, you also upload in your channel also. Okay. and you get a more subscriber and like a more person to speak with you, and you definitely connect with this all that people.